When you arrive at this hotel, you will be struck by its luxury. Marble floors, spacious halls, and plenty of staff always ready to assist you. The grand lobby with its impressive staircases creates an awe-inspiring atmosphere. There are pools right in the lobby area and an expansive outdoor space filled with cozy seating. Small fountains add to the charm, and the hotel is located right by the sea. It's truly beautiful, with many different buildings. Once you step into your room, you are greeted by elegance. The rooms are luxurious, featuring large beds and marble floors, all tastefully designed. Stepping onto the balcony, you are met with views of lush green gardens. Some rooms are swim-up suites, giving you direct access to the pool, added touch of luxury. Let's take a walk around the resort and see everything. There are many statues inspired by Mayan culture with an indigenous style. You will also find lots of flower beds with beautiful flowers and plenty of animals like iguanas, coatis, and even cats. You can see statues in the style of the Mayan Indians everywhere, along all the paths, alleys, and walkways. It seems like these statues were a big inspiration when building the resort to make it enjoyable for visitors. As we continue our walk through the resort, we come across a schedule listing all the shows and events happening throughout the day. It's conveniently placed for guests to easily plan their activities and entertainment. Right next to it, there is a large and impressive pool, framed by elegant columns and surrounded by lush greenery. The combination of water and nature creates a relaxing and luxurious atmosphere. Not far from there is a smaller pool, which is perfect for children or for older guests who want a quieter spot to unwind. It offers a peaceful place to relax away from the busiest area. As we keep walking, we once again come across the iconic Mayan-style statues and see plenty of coatis wandering around, adding to the resort's unique charm. Everything here feels perfectly designed, and you can really appreciate the beauty in every corner. As we approach the next section, we find a gift and souvenir shop, an essential part of almost every resort. This shop offers guests a chance to take home something memorable from their stay. Now we have arrived at the entrance to the beach, but we will take a closer look at it a bit later. This spot is a favorite for many guests who came early in the morning to watch the breathtaking sunrise and take in the peaceful beauty of the sea. The calm waves and soft glow of the sun create the perfect backdrop for a serene start to the day.